Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury in the ninth house. The planet Mercury in the ninth house of your chart means that you are eager to explore realms of knowledge, anything that expands your mind and gives you a sense of the bigger picture of Earth and its activities. In fact, why limit ourselves to the Earth, when there are whole galaxies waiting to be explored? You are not really interested in knowing more about the details of life, you are rather curious about the big picture. You have a natural ability to develop your thinking as you study, read, travel, and perhaps write. You are fascinated by foreign cultures and religions and want to experience the joys of foreign lands for yourself. For this reason, you are eager to travel to the abroad and maybe even study at universities or schools abroad. It is likely that you will spend at least a few years studying at a higher education institution. Religious topics can also be appealing, although you are likely to be interested in studying more than one lifestyle rather than following a single religious path. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.